Hello everyone and welcome back to my Moore Report chart analysis videos on Monday the 10th of October with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Asset Markets. We're going to look at euro dollar now, and we had that move on Friday whereby you sort of unwound that previous candle again, sort of back to square one really. It just doesn't really show too much sign of any real traction either way. You sort of unwound that move back to all these moving averages, which are basically flat on the daily chart. Momentum indicators very slightly corrective with the sort of falling stochastics and RSI below 50, but it's not really doing too much in terms of direction. You could argue there are sort of lower highs, and arguably now having broken below 1120, that gives you a lower low. So maybe there is a very slight bearish bias, but nothing too significant, and you're still trading within these sort of converging green trend lines here, and you're still holding on to, or Friday's low, basically bang on 111 figure, and I've been speaking for months about 111 big figure being the long-term pivot band of support on euro dollar. So no real change as far as I can see. 112 figure again capping the upside on the rally. Incredible. I've been talking about 112 figure recently as this sort of pivot line for the last sort of month, consistently coming back towards 112 figure, and again that's sort of the basis of resistance today. So 112 big figure, and then above that you're looking at sort of 1250 as your resistance, but trading below 112 figure you'd argue sort of attractive towards the bottom of the band really. But yeah, nothing too significant. I mean, just slightly sort of rolling over on these momentum indicators again suggests that you're sort of bearishly configured, so it's better to be sort of short than long I think on euro dollar at the moment, but nothing enormously in terms of direction. So I wish you good luck, and I'll try to speak to you later.